Hassanee Reacts. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe or else you get left behind. And also turn on post notifications so you know every time I drop a new video, a new what? Banger video. But anyways, man, I'm finna react to Ddg. So without further ado, let's hop straight into this video. Let's go. Anyways, it says Ddg and Tee Tee Mukbang. So without further ado, let's hop this video. And before I start this video, go check out my channel. Go run the numbers up, the likes up, the comments up, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you do those positive things. And now, let's go.
Back to another video. Today is a video that I didn't think was gonna happen. But I got a special guest, as you can see from the title and the thumbnail.
Got his face.
Oh! How's it going?
What kind of food is that? Russian pretzels?
Good.
Yo, bro, those are mad good. Those Wetzel pretzels. Comment down below, do you like Auntie Annie's better? If you guys have it where you guys live at, or comment down below, do you guys like Wetzel pretzels better?
Single life. I know that's different for you. You know, there's nothing wrong with being single, TT. I want you to know that. When you're single, I feel like you focus on yourself a little more. You know, you got full control over your own happiness. I think it's good that you be single right now.
Are you happy with your single life?
Huh?
Was you happy being single?
Was I happy when I was single?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like being single.
Why?
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 Because it's not. I like feeling loved.
True.
But you don't need love.
Oh! Why do I need it? What's so different between me and you?
Because you don't need love until you're about 30. Then I understand.
How old were you in your first relationship?
My first real relationship?
First real relationship. How old were you?
Yeah, twins, bro. Funny.
Like you felt really loved by that person.
Probably was. I don't know.
It doesn't matter how it ended. How did you feel in that relationship?
My first real relationship, I would say
Kennedy?
I was 18, 19.
Okay.
My job is
What's so different? There's not that much different. What if I like being in a relationship?
See, but my relationships didn't affect nobody.
Oh!
So your relationships affect people. You know what I mean? They affect families and relationships and stuff like that.
But you make it that way. You don't even have to be that way.
I don't make it nothing. You just keep dating disrespectful niggas.
How
You need to pick better
no,
niggas.
No, that's not what happened. He was downstairs lifting weights, and you had a problem with him lifting weights. Does that make sense? Is that him being disrespectful?
He laying on my fucking couch. The shit say do not enter. And then you laying under him like it's funny and shit.
If somebody else went in there, you would have said something to him?
What?
You just said something because it's him. Because he's my boyfriend, or was my boyfriend.
Yeah, was.
You make it so it's a problem. It don't even have to be a problem.
You single. That's it. There's nothing else to it. You keep trying to make extra shit, but at the end of the day, you single now. Right?
I guess so.
I got some questions for us, TT. One of the questions say, why do you think Dub is a better brother than Ddg?
Now, what from me from the outside looking in, I feel like Dub is more chiller, if that makes sense. Like people will say Dub is more cooler because I guess he's older. Well, he is older, He's more chiller and things like that. DG is chill too. But I'm saying, as far as like it comparing, as far as like how the actor this is, like DG is more protective, and Dub is more chiller.
Talk up when you speak too.
He's more understanding than you.
Oh!
He would be happy for my happiness. What's the difference between y'all two? You can't get mad. I'm being honest. You told me to speak up and be honest, so I'm being honest. What's the next question?
Next question. Who will win in a fight between Aries and DDG? After you just seen him get his ass whooped.
It's different from playing
12-3.
basketball.
No, it ain't, TT. I know how to fucking fight. What are you talking? Answer the question right. How you would normally answer it.
What do you mean? Why I keep answering first? It's just questions for me.
Answer the damn question.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Have faith in him though.
That's 11-3. Who the fuck is better than me?
All right. This next question say, for TT, what's your favorite song from DDG? It should be easy. You should know all my songs. Name a song, man.
I'm thinking. Spacewalking in Calabasas.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
I listen to that song almost.
It's Moonwalk on
Not every.
Colorado.
I wouldn't say every day, but like here and there. Pretty cool.
Spacewalking. How I go, TT?
My back itches.
Dang, how do it go? You got me stuck inside your love cycle.
Oh!
I read your love Bible.
It's not my song. It's not my song.
What do you mean?
It's not my song, TT.
Could have sworn I was just listening to it not too long ago. Gotta be your song. What other song would it be? Got a favorite song of mine?
I don't want to film the video no more.
Why?
It's cool. I ain't gonna film no more videos with you.
Why are you acting like that? I answered your question.
Cause you're embarrassing. You think you funny. You mad cause your nigga don't know how to play basketball. I should have beat his ass. I didn't even want to hoop against him. I was gonna rob that nigga.
Oh!
For what?
Because he disrespected me.
He did not disrespect
The only
you.
reason the only reason he's still a thing right now, or he even breathing right now, is cause mama saved him.
Bro, you're a bully.
I'm a bully.
That's what you are. You're a bully. All this has started because of you.
It started because your
no.
stupid ass
No.
light-skinned boyfriend.
No, it started because you was intimidated by him being in your house, and that's how it got so big. You started this.
Started it.
How? Because I had a boyfriend? I didn't start nothing. You just wanted to start something, and now we're here. How did you expect this to go?
I hate you.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Don't pay full price on Apple when you can.
You can leave.
How am I gonna get home?
Matter of fact, go out the back.
It's cold. Oh, I don't care.
Call Uber.
You're a hypocrite. That's what you are.
I feel like I'm at a point now where I'm on my own. I make a bet with somebody, I win fair and square, and I still lose. I can't believe I actually forgave you, TT. Spacewalking in Calabasas. Well, if you're watching this, TT, I got you something today. But I decided not to give it to you after our little conversation.
The watch? That's fire, bro. I hope you enjoyed the vid. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and also drop a comment. Like I always say, and tap in. All my social media will be in the link in my description. Make sure to follow me, support me, and show love. Peace.